Hello YouTube. So recently my car got a few check engine light codes and my car was misfiring really bad, and so I decided to see what was wrong. I replaced the cables and the spark plugs and that still didn't fix it. And the cable in the back right was actually broken. So I thought that would fix it, but it didn't. Then I bought the map sensor because the gasket was broken inside. That was like $55. But that still didn't fix it. So then I decided to clean the EGR valve. This thing right here has 2 bolts on it. I took it off, I cleaned it out, it still didn't work. Then there's some guy on YouTube was showing how you could put a gasket on there. I think it's still. So I made this thing out of a beer can, and I took the 2 bolts off, put it down, then tightened it back on. So I knew it wasn't an EGR valve. Then I decided to replace the fuel filter. I was still getting the code and my car was running rough. And the thing that fixed it is I got a light tester, well, actually a spark tester. I don't know what it's called. But I plugged it into here and plugged it into that. It was showing that this coil was bad. So I replaced it. Now the car runs great. A little bit of lifter noise, but it's running good. And the check engine light went off. No check engine light. Well, I hope my video could help you guys. Thanks for watching.